Well, life isn't all frolics and fun and going to church fetes. There's serious work to be done. Some people show their progress and their techniques. Yeah, there's probably no right way and no wrong way as such. But here's a bit of progress on an engine shed. Now, I'm pretty impressed with this. It's going together quite nicely. People tell me that these things are actually for hanging clothes on washing lines. I've no practical experience of that, but they're jolly handy for holding things together while the glue sets. These roof trusses are actually self-adhesive, but that one, for reasons best known to itself, the glue didn't work that well. Yeah, so there's some more of the, I don't know what you call them. They're just jolly handy things for clipping bits of cardboard together. Glue, of course. I use those to weight things down when these long side pieces were gluing. I used those to weight a piece down as well, and yeah. But this is quite an impressive structure, isn't it? And with the camera there, it actually looks quite big, doesn't it? So maybe I better just sort of show you my finger, just to let you know how big it actually is. It is an engine shed, so possibly it should have an engine in it. Yes, let's put an engine in the engine shed, and that will give you an idea of what sort of size we're talking about. There we are, progress.